Drop her off. You gonna take her drive her over there?
But we already did.
Oh, is it charging? Did it work? Or is it dead? Were you gonna take her to her friend's house? All the kids are gone, and I'm laying on the couch being a lazy butt.
It's like an old diabetes.
I should get in the shower. Do it. That would have been funny if you hit Austin.
I was trying. They're nice. Hi, did you give your kids melatonin last night?
Sure did.
Because Emberly was asleep before
Look
Haley.
at this. Look at their bruises. Swipe left.
Who is that? Kitty dude, you're really freaking close to me. Come on, dude. You look like one. Austin. This thing pisses me off.
Is that a ball in a cup?
No, it's not Family Guy.
How do you?
Dan twisted his broken foot.
What?
Dan twisted his broken ankle.
Classic.
It's not broken, but he twisted it.
Classic. Tell him to come in here.
Oh, it's hard.
Austin, go get Darren. Tell him to crawl.
He twisted his broken foot.
Okay, tell
Jake,
him to crawl.
go tell him to crawl in here then.
Okay.
Jake, your shirt's on backwards.
Or you guys should make a stretcher with your arms.
Or just go bring him these.
Oh yeah. Coach's seat. Oh.
What? I can't do that. I'm not very coordinated though. What? Alright.
Haley, it's not that part.
I don't care.
Speak up, Em.
Say something, I'm giving up on you.
Should we just turn the radio off?
And I am feeling my pride.
Speak up, Em.
You're still one that I love. And I'm saying goodbye.
You're way back there, Emberly. Means your voice has to be louder.
Say something, I'm giving up on you.
There it is.
I'm sorry that I couldn't get to
Oh, it
you.
gives me freaking chills. Is that you?
Anywhere I would follow you. Oh, say something, I'm giving up on you. Say something, I'm giving up on you.
Thanks, girls, because I'm crying.
Say something.
What do you do with that?
What are you talking about?
Yeah. So it's kind of crazy being down here and dealing with everything with the funeral and not being in our normal phase of life, I guess. I don't know. I keep forgetting to vlog, and obviously so does Jake. Anyways, we're here at Costco. We looked up on cheap gas. I think it's an app you can get on your phone. Anyways, basically we looked up gas prices, and the cheapest is here in Spanish Fork at I think we were paying $2.07 a gallon. Everywhere else is like $2.17, $2.19. But anyway, where we're at right now, that's the cheapest. We're not in Pocatello. I don't know what the gas prices were, but we're just getting some gas, and then we're gonna go pick up Jake's suit, and gonna have our kids. Jake left the car running. Jacob, weirdo, left the car running as he's filling up gas. You're supposed to turn off the car, Jake. Anyway, so we're gonna go get Jake's suit, get kids ready for bed. Tomorrow's Sunday. We're gonna go to church with the Cases with our friends, and then I'm handing out melatonin tonight at 7:30, and then me and Jake are gonna go meet with my grandma and grandpa around 8:30. We're gonna go meet up for dessert or appetizers or something. I don't get to see them very often, but anyway, so that's the plan. And then we'll go home, and yeah, we're gonna be down here till Monday, so you guys are gonna have to hang on for our vlogs. I'm not doing any editing. I'm just cramming the videos together and posting them. Sorry guys, you guys are such good sports, hanging out and waiting for my deal, I guess. Trying to blow up the gas station?
Trying to.
How much was it?
$22.
Woo, filled the gas tank for 22 bucks. Anyway, so now we're headed to go get Jake's suits. Split second, and we're at Mr. Max. So weird. I just want to point out, whoa, the sun and the parking. Pocatello, literally there is, that mall sucks. It's empty. That mall really sucks because it's empty. What are you doing? Let me open your door for you, Jacob.
What?
I was just telling our viewers that this mall parking is crazy because in Pocatello there's no need to fight for a parking spot, but
Yeah,
this
you
one's
usually
like
get a spot within 3 spaces from the door. Here it's 15 cars down.
we're not in Pocatello anymore, but
But
gosh,
we're also in an area where population is like 10 times as much as what's in Pocatello.
I know,
so-
but the smell is amazing. Can't quite figure out where
California
that's.
Pizza Kitchen.
Is that what that is?
Yeah.
So yummy. Oh my gosh, makes me want to go get. Or P.F. Chang's. P.F. Chang's is right here. I want to go get a lettuce wrap. I haven't had one of those in years.
Cinnabon there.
We're in the mall.
It's also
And we're vlogging in public. How many people will watch
Macaroni.
us?
So we're at a place called Pantrucas, which is a Chilean restaurant. And the reason why we're here is because I spent two years in Chile. About to say 2 days. But I spent 2 years in Chile on a mission for the LDS Church. And anyways, I fell in love with the food and I fell in love with the people. And anytime I can get Chilean style food, I do it. And anyways, a really good friend of mine at the hospital who is a nurse anesthetist served his mission in Argentina and told me about this place because the places that we'd eaten at before were down in Orem and Provo had all closed down. But this one is a new one that we haven't tried yet, and so we're going to try it out. But they make really good completos, which are basically Chilean hot dogs, and what they call empanadas, which are Hot Pockets. So super, super good food, and that's why we're here.
But the other part you're not adding in, when Jake and I first were married, Jake introduced me to, I forget the name, what was the name again? Of the one that we used to eat at? Doesn't matter.
Oh, El Palmire.
Anyways, so that, I love the food. I've never even been there, but I would totally go Chilean just for the food. Anyway, so we had this thing where we would go out and eat, and they shut down. So anyway, where did you hear about this one?
From one of the nurse anesthetists.
Oh, you just said that. Anyway.
Dewey.
So we're gonna try this place out. Hopefully it's pretty good, right? We'll find out. Public vlogging at its finest. Anyway, this is in Provo, just a little podunk restaurant, I guess. Boo! Got in there and it's literally a hole in the wall. There's like not even 10 people waiting.
But not a bad place. I mean, it smells amazing inside.
It does, but everybody knows it because they're patiently waiting.
But it's a 40-minute wait, and unfortunately we only have like 10 or 15 minutes where we could wait for food, and so we have to skip it. But we'll come back.
Not on a Saturday. We pull up and this is what we see. What are you babies doing? Huh?
He's gone.
You going for a ride?
It does not work.
Oh, you just talking about going for a ride?
Maybe I can know how to open the fan. The oven doesn't open. How do you? Mama, just put them into the seats.
What? Whoa. That looks like you got a problem there. Where you guys going? Going on a date or what?
She's going to her friends, and she's gone. And then I'm gonna make dinner when I get home.
Oh, are you gonna drop her off? You gonna take her, drive her over there?
But we already did.
Oh, is it charging? Did it work? Or is it dead? Were you gonna take her to her friend's house?
No,
Yeah, don't forget your seatbelts.
they're gone.
What are you doing with the seat? Oh, I see.
Just right.
Now what? Will it drive both of you?
Yes.
Is it charging?
Nope. No.
Is it dead?
No.
Well, when are you gonna go somewhere?
We already did. Turn it off. No, turn it off.
This is weird vlogging with my grandma. This is my grandma. My mom's mom. Lost my mom to cancer in '99. But luckily I have grandma.
Yes.
Anyway, we just came to, where are we? Amber's, some
Amber's
little
restaurant in Spanish Fork.
cafe place. It's pretty good. But anyway, so love my grandma because I do.